Hello friends, my name is Mani and welcome to Rcare. This video is for all the students who wanted to go to Germany for Masters in Architecture. I will be sharing the entire roadmap which we generally follow for the students who wanted to go for Masters in Architecture. This video will consist in 5 parts. The first is the roadmap, the points which you have to keep in mind when you apply to the public universities. The third, the students already pursuing their masters from Germany. The fourth, the part-time jobs. And the fifth, very important, the visa. These are the points which we're going to discuss in this video. So the first step is, when you think you wanted to go to Germany for your masters in architecture, the most important part is a roadmap. Now, the first is your APS. The APS means the verification of the documents by the German consulate. It takes at least 2 to 3 months. Minimum, it might be 40 days also, but we have to keep on a safer side 2 to 3 months. Till the time this APS is not done, we cannot apply to the universities. Second, very importantly, we have to create a roadmap where we see whether our courses are there into the public university for which semester, summer or winter. If it is for winter semester, then the deadlines are 15th July. If it is for summer semester, then the deadlines are for 15th January. But all the universities' deadlines will not end up on the same date. Generally, in Germany, the universities are open for 30 to 40 days. So as soon as you apply, gonna be a good idea for you to pursue your education, right? The third, when we apply to the public universities, either we're gonna apply directly or we're gonna apply through uni-assist. So what is uni-assist? Uni-assist is a third party where you have to apply via uni-assist and you have to upload all the documents on uni-assist, and then you can apply to those universities. This is a short video which you can just look into it, and how to apply and all the procedure. So we need to create up an account first where we need to enter our password and an email ID. So once that is done, we can generate our account. We can create our account with a new password. And once the account is created, then you can just log in with your credentials and start writing down your personal details, your with your all your personal details, and your date of birth, your year, your place of birth. Make sure all these details should be similar to the details which have been mentioned on the passport. If you wanted to change the details, if you make some error, then these details could be edited within couple of days. Sometimes it takes a week also. So, students who have done their architecture from India and wanted to pursue their masters from Germany, I will be sharing a video where the students going to share the feedback about the part-time job, about the challenges which they faced when they wanted to pursue their education from Germany.
हेलो, मेरा नाम प्रतीक है। मैं रोहतक हरियाणा से हूँ और मैंने अपनी बैचलर्स की है आर्किटेक्चर में इंडिया से एसपीए भोपाल स्कूल ऑफ प्लानिंग एंड आर्किटेक्चर। रिगार्डिंग जॉब्स जर्मनी में ओवरऑल देखें तो थोड़ा सा मार्केट लो है, उसमें तो कोई दो राह नहीं है। बट अगर लैंग्वेज है, आपके पास अच्छी लैंग्वेज है, B2 लेवल तक लैंग्वेज अगर आपको अच्छे से आ रही है, तो कोई भी ऐसा प्रोफेशन नहीं है जहाँ पे जॉब की कमी ना हो। यू कैन अप्लाई टू एनीवेयर इन जर्मनी, या फिर जर्मनी से बाहर भी, स्पेन हो गया या फिर स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज होगी, सब में आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। जर्मनी में भी अभी काफी अच्छी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज चल रही हैं। लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए, मेन पॉइंट वो है पूरे उसमें।
एक बहुत ही जो स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट बोला है अभी प्रतीक ने कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज की कमी नहीं है जर्मनी में ना, और ये बहुत एविडेंट भी है।
Hello guys, I am Dhritiman Kundu. Professionally I am an architect. I am from Kolkata. I have done my bachelor's of architecture from Lovely Professional University. It's a 5 years course. I have worked in a architecture firm for 1 year. Right now I got admission into TU Darmstadt.
We have n number of students from all over the world. They contact us, we process the application for them, and from end to end, And most importantly, I always ask them, though your course is in English, but then also you should know German. The German is very, very important, right? Now, let's talk about the visa. So visa is also very important. You have to keep in mind at least 3 months, minimum 3 months for the public university. It is not a scenario that you will not get the visa rejection on the public university. You might get the visa rejection on the public universities as well. So the visa calculation has to be there on time. We receive a lot of calls from the students and the parents asking us how much time it's going to take for the visa. So actually what happens, we apply our documents on the CSP portal, right? So CSP portal, when we apply the documents, it takes some time for the verification of the documents by the concerned party of the embassy, right? And then they give us the correction on the CSP portal. So let's assume if they give us the correction in another 20 days, that's one correction. Our file is being extended for 20 days more. And then the second correction comes in another 20 days. So our file is extended 20 days or more. Now this is a scenario that 40 days our file has been delayed. So what we generally try to answer the corrections as soon as possible and try to portray the file in such a manner that the corrections do not happen, right? So this is a first challenge which you might face when you wanted to file up a visa. The second, of course, your cover letter, which is very important. Your purpose is very important. The third, your university, your course. Yeah, I wanted to say about the course. If you wanted to pursue your master's in Germany, the type of subjects which you can go for is master's in architecture, urban design and urban planning, sustainable architecture, interior architecture, landscape architecture, smart cities and built environment. So these type of courses are for the students who have done their bachelor's in architecture. So please don't go on the name of the course. Very important. You have to see the subjects which the university is offering. So for example, if you wanted to go for landscape, right? Maybe in the landscape and architecture, they're providing certain courses, certain subjects which are related to interior designing or maybe interior architecture, right? So always check the curriculum. Don't go on the name of the course. This is I have been telling in my old videos also. So these are the courses, these are the types of courses which are important. If you have any question related to masters in architecture, you wanted to process your application with the 100% successful guarantee for the visa, for the application, you're most welcome to contact us. We would be very happy to help you out. Thank you.